I can tell you right now, this is the most awful thing that I've seen in my lifetime. This is going to have devastating consequences for years and years to come, if not longer. The restaurant industry is the number 2 employer of people in the nation. This is an incredibly, incredibly important industry that we cannot allow to fail. I feel that a lot of us want to order from restaurants. My worry is that a lot of people in restaurants, intending to do the best that they can for their community, end up having people come into too close contact and end up spreading the disease amongst themselves. We just get more people sick. I hate the idea of restaurants not coming back, that we're open, but I don't think they're all coming back. It is amazing to me that people in America do not see the food issues in America for the giant-sized tsunami of disaster that is just looming over our heads. We spend $1.4 trillion in this country fighting food-related health diseases, things like diabetes. We need to be using food as a prescription for better health. We know that if you already are a sick person with a compromised health situation, there's a greater chance of you dying from the C19 flu-like symptoms. More Americans will die in the C19 pandemic because the lack of access to healthy, nutritious food, both currently today and over the last 20 years. I encourage people, buy fresh produce. It's the only shelves that I haven't seen decimated. So we're not going to run out of that stuff. We need to be cooking and processing food ourselves right now so our pressure on the system is less. It is a very dangerous system, teeter-tottering on completely breaking down in this C19 era unless we have a plan for what to do with that food and in getting those meals out to the people in need. The solution is not to run out to your store and stock up on 2 months worth of canned goods. The solution is to be talking to your friends and neighbors about it, talking to your elected officials about it, and calmly working towards a solution together, because in most of America, we have several weeks before anything like that is even remotely possible. I think that the global pandemic has only underscored the importance of the issues that we rolled out in the first mini season of What's Eating America, from climate change to immigration to addiction. So if this doesn't motivate us to see that we need to fix our healthcare system, we need everybody to be fed healthy, nutritious foods. It's not can we afford to, it's we can't afford not to. What keeps motivating me more is knowing that on the other side of this is a more equitable and just system. Talk to each other, be kind and compassionate with each other. We can get through this together. We can join hands and talk to our elected officials, and we can get their attention, start to solve some of these problems and set them up. Humanity is stronger than this thing. We will survive.